Bro, you got some music on your phone sending this quiet ass call with your ass? Yeah.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggers at my slave house. 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 I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down. 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 Ready to whip you down.
Bro, you got some music on your phone sending this quiet ass call with your ass? Yeah, bro, I got the slaps.
Take me back to slavery so I can rape these nigger ladies. I just need me a little slave boo.
Little slave boo.
Take me back to slavery cause I've been feeling racist lately. I just need me a nigger or two. Nigger or two. Sometimes I wonder.
Bro, I know your ass got some music on your phone, bro. I'm tired of sending this quiet ass call with your ass.
Bro, you always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright, fine.
Know some young niggas I can hang. Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga slave and that pussy stink. Every day drinking Kool-Aid. Made a light skin bitch my housemaid. Loitering with some chicken wings. Whip a slave, watch me whip a slave. If she leave the port, she go get hanged. For real. I got options, light skin, dark skin niggas right now. Get 'em. And once I hang a nigga, when he go up, he ain't coming down.
Bro, you got some music on your phone sending this quiet ass call with your ass.
Yeah, you already know.
You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god.
You know they picking cotton.
I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping.
Woke up.
I woke up to niggas picking cotton.
Woke up.
I woke up to niggas escaping.
Woke up.
Woke up to niggas picking cotton.
Woke up.
Woke up to niggas escaping. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they running.